Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use live wallpapers on lock screen on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on search app library and search photos app. So click on photos app. So click on library. So click on live photo. So click on here. So if you want to set as a wallpaper, so click on this icon. Now here scroll down, you will see second option is use as wallpaper. So click on use as wallpaper. Now here, so click on add. So click on set as wallpaper pair. So you will see. So if you click on unblur, you will see wallpaper is set. So after the procedure, go back to home screen and refresh phone. So that's how you can use live photo wallpaper on lock screen on iOS 26. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.